everyone, this is Terry at terryscraftroom.com. Welcome back. I'm glad you could join us today. I've got a quick tip for you. What do you do when you have a punch that you want to make a label out of, but you also want to put a frame around your label so it's not so plain on your project? Well, here's how you do it. So what you need to do is punch two of your image, your punched image, and then the first one you want to cut long ways like a hot dog, and the second one you want to cut short ways like a hamburger, just like that. Then we're going to attach these to the backs of our project. So I'm going to attach this one first. I usually attach the sides first. Just like that. And so we're just going to frame out the sides, and you could stop right there and use that on your project, but I want the ends framed too. And you can see by the back of the project that I've left a gap so that I can have my frame outside. And I'm going to do the same thing on the ends. Just like that. And so you'll have a little gap in the middle here, but the outside is totally framed. And then you can put that on your project. Just like that. Quick and easy. And you only need one size of a punch. You don't need the double sizes that you use for dies. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip on how to use a punch and how to mat a punch. And I hope you'll join me again soon. Check out more tips and tricks over at terryscraftroom.com. I'll put a direct link down below in the description of this video. And y'all have a nice day. We'll see you again next time. Bye.